In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect my funded futures on Tradovate. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to tradovate.com, and if this is your first time actually doing this and first time using your Tradovate account together with my funded futures, you want to go to login over here. And then when you click on the login button, you'll have to enter in your MyFunded credentials, which can be found on your MyFunded Futures dashboard. Okay, so if you don't know how to get there, go to myfundedfutures.com, and then here you have to basically accept the challenge, create an account, and make sure you choose Tradovate as a platform. And then after you make your purchase, after you actually pay for the plan you selected, over here you'll be able to essentially get your sign-in credentials to sign in to Tradovate on your dashboard. Here, just type in your username and password, click on login, and then you're gonna have to basically just confirm a few things, and that's pretty much how you can get connected very easily in just a few minutes. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.